again, Detroit Club Style Ballroom 101. Urban Ballroom 101. This is the 101 course, the beginner. This is a concept video. And today's concept are the feet. You know, as the movie says, happy feet.
The stars.
So it's important that we talk about the feet. I want you to take a look at the followers' feet. They're taking their time to paint their nails and stuff like that. So we want to try very hard to not step on their feet. Stepping on toes, bad. People don't want to dance with you again if you step on their toes. Bad. So as we dance and we're doing footwork, we want to make sure that we control where our feet go. And there's a couple things we want to do on that. One, we want to practice what I call heel toe. That's the way it was explained to me. The toe and my heel line up. So that tells you the distance that I go. Heel toe. And so when I heel toe, it's not super far. We're both 6 feet tall. That's what she tells me. So we're both 6 feet tall. Because we're both 6 feet tall, we can actually take big steps together and it works. Now the problem is, somebody's told me a while ago, the majority of the public is not 6 feet tall. Some of them are a lot shorter. And so if they're a lot shorter, they can't cover the same ground as the 6 foot tall person. So I shouldn't be doing this. If y'all remember Usain Bolt, he used to take like one big step, and they would take 10 little steps to be trying to catch up. This ain't a race. We're trying to dance and work with each other. So we try to moderate our steps. And so we want to practice heel-toe alignment. So as we're actually dancing, we want to make sure we're like 1, 2, 3, and left. 1, 2, 3, and right. Heel toe. 1, 2, 3, and left. Heel toe. 1, 2. Heel toe. So you will see that I have this heel toe alignment as I'm dancing. That's what I'm trying to work on. It helps you keep your dance controlled. It helps you to keep your posture up because you're not overstriding yourself. Because when you start taking these big ones, you start extending yourself out and it's harder to maintain good posture and good balance. When you hear heel toe, it's easier to maintain your balance because everything is still here contained. And so we want to make sure. Now some days when I'm going, I try to keep my feet close to the ground. So again, I don't step on people's toes by accident. Very bad. If you step on their toes, they're not going to want to dance with you again. I'll tell you it's a secret. It's a secret. And so you need to know that. Don't step on the toes. Very bad. No, it's bad. So feet, heel toe. As we dance, heel toe. And when we step back, this is the next one, we want to step back. We're not stepping way back. We're not stepping leaning back. We're stepping back. We want to rest back. When we're resting and we're moving, we're staying always, for the most part, the majority of the weight is on the balls of our feet. That's one of the other most important things about feet. The reason they want the followers in high heels is because it makes it easier for you to do turns if you're on your toes. So they can do a whole bunch of turns because they know how to stay on their toes. On the toes. If you're on the heels, can't do that on your heels. And you don't want to get to the point where you settle down on your heels, because if you settle in too much, you're not ready to come back out when you need to with the proper timing. And then you'll be what they call heavy. You don't want to be a heavy follower. You want to be a light follower. You're a heavy follower. You got to and pull them to get going. That's because they settle in on their heels. Light followers stay on their toes, so it's easy to get them going. But that's all we got to say about feet. Got anything you want to add?
No, nothing else about feet.
All right. So that is our video for today. It's just about feet. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it was helpful to you. Make them pay for your toes if they mess them up. I'll see you in the next video.